You aren't tech illiterate. You've just been lied to by companies that profit from your uncertainty. It is time for you to take back control.
The digital world was built to be easy, but the instructions were hidden. You did not fall behind. The world simply moved without giving you a map.
I am James Carter, and I have helped thousands of professionals just like you master the tools that once felt like a completely foreign language.
In the next 30 days, we are going to transform your frustration into absolute confidence. You will go from feeling lost to becoming fully digital capable.
This is not about learning to write code or building complex software. This is about mastering the essential skills that make your daily life much easier.
Think about how much time you waste struggling with passwords or looking for files. Those minutes add up to hours of frustration that you simply deserve back.
Most courses are too fast or too technical. They forget that you grew up in a world of physical objects, not just invisible cloud storage folders. My method bridges that gap. We use analogies you already understand to explain the concepts that currently feel confusing or out of reach for your mind. We start on day one by simplifying your device settings. Most of what is on your home screen is just noise designed to distract you constantly. Imagine your phone as a digital tool belt. You only need the right tools in the right places to get the job done quickly and efficiently. By the end of the first week, you will navigate your computer and phone with a level of speed that will honestly surprise your younger relatives.
Week 2 is all about the internet. We tackle security, privacy, and the fear of clicking the wrong link that might break your entire computer system.
You will learn how to spot a scam from a mile away. Security is not about being a genius. It is about knowing the basic signs. We will set up a password manager together. No more notebooks filled with scribbled logins that you can never find when you actually need to log in. In week 3, we dive into communication. Mastering email, video calls, and sharing photos will keep you connected to the people who matter most in life. You will finally understand how the cloud works. It is not a mystery. It is just a digital filing cabinet that you can access from anywhere. The final week is about the future. We will explore how artificial intelligence can help you write emails, plan trips, and solve everyday problems very quickly. You are not too old to learn this. Your experience and wisdom are your greatest assets. You just need to translate them into this new digital environment. Don't let the world pass you by because of a few buttons. You have too much to offer to be sidelined by simple technology barriers now. This 30-day challenge is designed for your busy schedule. Just 15 minutes a day will yield results that will last you for the rest of life. The transition from physical to digital is just a change in medium. Your ability to think, reason, and act remains exactly the same as before. Imagine the freedom of booking your own travel, managing your finances, and seeing your grandchildren on video without ever needing to ask for any outside help. I will be your guide every single step of the way. No question is too basic, and no task is too small for us to cover. We will clear out the clutter on your devices. Just like cleaning a messy room, a clean digital space brings immediate peace of mind and focus.
Technology should serve you, not the other way around. It is time to stop being a passive user and start being an active digital master.
Think about the legacy you want to leave. Being tech literate allows you to document your stories and share them with future generations of your family. You wouldn't use a tool without knowing how it works. Your smartphone is the most powerful tool ever created. Let us learn to use it properly. Every expert was once a beginner. The only difference is they took the first step. Today, you are taking that step with me by your side. I remember when I first struggled with these things too. It is okay to feel overwhelmed at first, but that feeling is temporary and very normal. By day 10, you will be using keyboard shortcuts and gestures that make everything feel seamless. You will wonder how you ever lived without these simple tricks. The internet is a vast library of knowledge. I will show you how to find exactly what you need without getting lost in the noise. We will cover how to safely use online banking. Your money and identity are precious, and we will build a fortress around your digital life together. Fear comes from the unknown. Once you understand how data moves, the internet stops being a scary place and starts being a playground for your own curiosity. One of the biggest lies is that you can easily break your computer by clicking something. Most mistakes are very easily undone with a simple click. Imagine being able to help your friends with their tech problems. That is the level of confidence we are aiming for by the end of this. We will master the art of the video call. You will look and sound professional every time you hop on a meeting or a family call. Digital organization is like a superpower. We will organize your photos so you can find any memory from the last 10 years in just seconds. It is about mental models. Once you understand the logic behind the software, every new app you encounter will suddenly start making perfect sense to you. Technology is just another form of expression. It is a way to share your ideas, your work, and your passions with the entire world instantly.
You have decades of experience that the digital world needs. Don't let a lack of basic skills keep your valuable voice from being heard clearly.
We will talk about social media. It can be a tool for connection or a source of stress. I will show you how to use it safely. You will learn how to verify information. In a world of fake news, being able to find the truth is a skill that is more important than ever. Day 25 is a big one. We look at how to use voice commands. Your devices can literally listen and do exactly what you tell them to.
We have come a long way from the first computers, but the core principles of using them haven't changed as much as people would lead you to believe. Just like these plants, your skills need the right environment to grow. This 30-day plan provides that perfect structure for your own digital personal growth.
We will simplify your email inbox. You will learn how to filter out the junk and keep only the messages that are actually important for your day. You will learn how to use digital maps like a pro. Never get lost again and find the best hidden gems in any city you visit worldwide. By the time we reach the final week, you will feel a sense of accomplishment that is truly profound. You have conquered a massive modern challenge. Digital capability is the new literacy. It is the key to staying relevant, staying connected, and staying independent in this rapidly changing and evolving world today. Time is your most valuable resource. Stop wasting it on technical struggles. Spend it on the things and people that truly bring joy to your daily life. We will also explore how to use technology for your health. From tracking steps to managing appointments, your devices are powerful tools for your personal wellness. Entertainment is at your fingertips. We will set up streaming services so you can enjoy your favorite movies and music whenever and wherever you want to. You are going to be so proud of yourself. That moment when a difficult task suddenly becomes easy is one of the best feelings in the world. I have seen people in their 80s master these tools. You are in the prime of your life, and there is absolutely nothing you cannot learn. The world is opening up for you. No more feeling left out of conversations or missing out on digital opportunities because you didn't know the basics. Education is a lifelong journey. This 30-day challenge is just the beginning of a whole new chapter of digital exploration and mastery for your life. You will be able to shop online with complete confidence. Finding the best deals and having them delivered to your door has never been easier or safer. We will also look at how to manage your digital legacy. Ensuring your photos and documents are safe for the future is a gift to your family.
You will never have to wait in line for a basic service again. Almost everything can be done from the comfort of your own home now.
Confidence is the ultimate goal. When you aren't afraid of technology, you are free to explore all the amazing things it can do for your lifestyle. The 30 days will go by faster than you think, and at the end, you will have a set of skills that will serve you forever. You have nothing to lose and a whole world of digital capability to gain. Let us start this journey together right now, in this moment. Remember, you aren't tech illiterate. You are just a few steps away from being a digital master. I believe in you and your ability to learn. Join the thousands who have already taken back their digital power. It is your turn to shine in this modern world of amazing new technology. No more excuses, no more fear. Just 30 days of focused, easy-to-follow learning that will change your life and your perspective on everything. Click the link below to start your 30-day digital basics journey today. I will be right there with you every single day of the way. The digital world belongs to you as much as anyone else. Start your 30-day journey today and never feel left behind by technology ever again.